Hello everyone.
Welcome to Fooders Medicine channel Potato Sabzi. This potato sabzi is really good for any variety rice, roti, chapati, puri or any masala for puff or samosa. This is easy to make and I have added a special ingredient in this. Please try this recipe. This preparation will take minimum 15 minutes of time. Let's see it. In a dry pan, take 2 spoons of oil and heat it. Once oil gets heated up, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of chana dal. Add 2 spoons of peanuts. Peanuts and chana dal will give crunchy taste for the sabzi. Add 7 curry leaves. Wait until it splatters. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor and also it reduces gastric issue. Fry all these ingredients until it turns light brown. Add 1 onion medium nicely chopped. We have to fry the onion until it turns light brown. Add 4 green chilies slit in the middle. Mix all these ingredients and fry until it turns light brown. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. Add 1 spoon of salt. I have not added salt while boiling potatoes, so I am adding the whole salt. Give a nice mix with the salt so that it will cook faster. Fry onions for minimum 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you could see onions are cooked very well and also oil separates out. Keep the boiled potato ready. Just boil the potato and then smash it. Add 3 boiled potatoes to this. Potato is a starchy vegetable and it gives energy instantly. Once in a week you can have this potato. Mix the potato with onion and other ingredients. Smash the potato if it is really big. Just mix it very well. This potato masala can also be used with dosa as a masala dosa. And also you can have it with rice, roti, chapati or puri. To give good color to the sabzi, just add quarter spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients very well. Mix the potato for minimum 1 minute because it has to mix with the red chili powder. You can also add sambar powder, but definitely red chili powder will give you some color and also little spiciness. Mix it very well. Now we are going to add the magic ingredient which will give the extraordinary taste. Just grate the little ginger and then add it with this potato. Definitely you will feel the taste. Ginger definitely helps for the giddiness. You can add it in your diet whenever you are cooking something with potato. As the ginger is grated, the kids also like this. Simple tasty potato sabzi or curry is ready. This is suitable for any rice or roti or chapati or masala dosa, and you can also make this sabzi with the puff or samosa. The ginger taste at the last will give you extraordinary taste for this potato sabzi. Definitely you have to try this. Don't put extra ginger. Whatever I showed you is enough. Little ginger is enough. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Definitely you will like it. Thank you.